Hello, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to install Evalue Exchanger. The first step you do is go to your Play Store, search Evalue Exchanger, or just type Evalue and do your search. Select Evalue Exchanger and install it. So once you're in the app, you can read through the splash screens and hit continue. Then here you have to choose between phone login and Google login. Today I'm going to show you how to use phone login. So select phone login and put your name and a phone number, which should be a phone number. Tick if your number is on WhatsApp, then send verification code. Confirm the number. Then you receive a code. So the OTP code is there. Just open the message and take note of the code, the number at the first. Copy it if you can't master it. Then go back to Evalue Exchanger and press the arrow, the forward arrow. Then here you enter the verification code and clear the spaces. Then press the verify button. There we go. We have successfully logged in using phone login.